Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and this weekend we're at Aphrodite's family eco camping ground, and up the top of there is Aphrodite's baths, and we're about 5 miles away from Lachi. So I'll show you the campground. It's fairly new, so you can park your bikes here. Oh, you can hire them as well. There we are. And a little shop if you run out of bits and pieces. There we are. We've got there's milk in there and drinks and basic stuff like your toothpastes and fairy liquids and stuff. Right, there's reception. Looks like they've got a Jeep bus service as well, if you need some sort of running around. Oh, here we are. It goes to the Blue Lagoon, which is up the road, and Aphrodite's bath and beyond. Right. Once you've checked in, you get a little pass, bleep it on there, and the gate will open for you. Let's go down. So if you did want to bring your car down, guys, you'll have to pay a little bit extra right down to your camping site. There is a restaurant on site. Look, it's down there. So if you didn't want to do a bit of cooking yourself, you just go there. Right, let's go down. These are carob stick trees. Right, there's another camp area just at the top. Can you see? That one's open just underneath a tree. Same with that one down there on the top. Number 28, that's just open underneath a tree. Loads of car parking spaces. Right, let's have a look at the signpost. That gives us an idea of what utilities are available. Right, so we've got WCs and showers, dining room, there's a laundry. Oh, there's a little hospital for first aid, I suspect. The beach is further down. Okay. Right, we're coming up to the first shower and toilet block. There it is. I think there's 2 showers for the men's and 2 for the ladies, and some toilets. Now this area here, they've made some wigwams, look, out of bamboo, and then you can pitch your tent up inside the wigwam. There we go. It looks like they're building a swimming pool there as well. I'm not sure. It looks like a swimming pool. Right down the slope. And have a little closer look at the wigwams. There they are. We've got wigwam number 41. They have got a little door There's one there, can you see? He's put his tent inside. Look, there's picnic benches on the far side of the camping ground. I'm not sure what this is, this place here. Right, so there's the little beach down there. Can you see? It's quite rocky. I'm not sure where the access point is at the moment. We'll have a look further down. See if we can locate the access to the mini beach. It's not really a beach, it's sort of access to the sea really, so you could have a swim. Right, so you can rent these little sheds, you see, if you didn't want to go camping. There's one there. And that's got a double bed in it apparently, and some bunk beds. So the whole family can squeeze in there. And there's the other shed, the triangle one, and we're in there. There's a double bed in there and we'll show you that in a bit. There are some organised activities, guys, here. There's some yoga and a few ball games for the kids. There's probably volleyball as well, because there's a volleyball court just here. Right, there is a big play area for the kids in the middle, swings and climbing frames. There they are. Volleyball kit. Right, down this end of the campsite is the bar area. There it is. Okay. So we were told that reception area when we come in, you're not allowed any music here. Well, it looks like they've got more space around here to put even more camping areas. Right, so you can see the path now going down to the little mini beach. It's down there, along down the slope, and to this little rocky beach. There it is. Great access if you want to swim in this little bay and just relax there for a little while. Not exactly the beach to sunbathe and what have you. Look at the lovely blue sea. Absolutely beautiful. Right, let's make our way round this side of the campsite. What we're looking at, beginning of October, guys. It's not 9 o'clock yet and it is very warm. Probably about 27, 28 degrees now, maybe reaching 30. Right, there's St George's Island, just out there, see, and if you go to Latchi itself, which is about a 5-minute drive, 5 or 10 minutes, you can get boat trips from Latchi, which is further down there, and that come down along here, and then I think you can jump off round about here and have a swim around. Right, there's 2 more beaches here, guys, a little bit bigger. Look, gravelly and stones, but still nice. Right next to St George's Island, and you can walk down, there's a pathway just wiggling down like that all the way down there. So that's another alternative. And this far side here are where the real campers are, guys. This is where you can pitch a tent. And we're just going to join the other crew who've got a camper van and a tent. There they are. And we can have a camping type breakfast. Right, so as you can see, they've got the camper van, Polly, and there's a lovely big tent. Oh, it looks like Tim's started breakfast. So this is the posh version. And then if you want to put up a little one-man tent, you can. There's one next door and one over there. There's a big one right at the end. And today we've got our old crew back. Tim, who might fall down for us. He did in the last video. We've got Polly and our urban explorer, Emma. And our old crew here. So guys, we're in the middle of nowhere. We've climbed down this hill with the car to get to this waterfall.
How far down is it?
So it's just €1 to get in.
€7 for the parking. So we need €2.
Right. Right guys, so we've just paid €7 including the car park to get in. And as I said, we've got our urban explorer here, Emma. Hello Emma. And we've got our old crew. It's Polly.
Less of the old George.
And our good friend Tim. Hello Tim.
Original.
And Tim might fall down for us and give us another show. So where are we guys?
We are at,
Nowhere.
what was it called? Kritou Tera.
Right guys, we're in the middle of nowhere.
We're on a road to nowhere.
And Polly's decided to bring us yet again on another
On a magical mystery tour.
That's the one. So everyone's going to follow Polly here.
No, please don't follow me. I'll only get you into trouble.
End up on the floor.
And guys, look out for the video we did up in the mountains where our crew here, Polly,
Oh, we had a lovely walk.
and she took us on a fantastic walk, guys. And I think it's a walk to nowhere.
No, we saw 2 Venetian bridges there.
We did see 2 Venetian
Saw
bridges,
an
yes.
old watermill.
An old watermill, that's
We
right.
saw Tim fall over. We ate grapes along the way.
We did pick some grapes off the trees, didn't we? We did
What
some
else?
urban exploring, didn't we?
did. And you did some foraging and got some walnuts, almonds and figs.
That's right, guys. So look out for that video. It's a brilliant video. Right, have we got appropriate shoes on, guys?
I
Yeah.
have.
Tim, you better hide your feet.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Oh, he's got his
Oh, dear.
mountain trainers on again.
Yeah, mountain trainers.
There we are. Oh look, appropriate footwear. Oh,
Last time I got told off because I had sliders on.
so we've reached the bottom of the valley, well virtually, guys. Giving our ticket to the guy just on the side. And look at this. This is the pathway to the waterfall. And it says, wear appropriate clothes. Brilliant. So we've walked about 10 minutes down the road. And that's a very slopey road, guys. It's going to be hard to walk up back up. And now it's another 10 minutes along this path in the valley to the waterfalls. Well guys, Polly's managed to do it yet again guys. Let's just visit this little waterfall, and we are going down and down and down. It's right down there guys. It's fine going down, but I'm not sure about coming back up. So this could be our very last video. Right guys, we finally made it down the valley. There we are. And we are dreading getting back. We're hoping to have dinner tonight, but it looks like we're going to end up back at the campsite for breakfast, or just in time for breakfast. So here's the cave there, and then right, so this is the waterfall guys. Right, so we're in the waterfall, which is here, and it's in a cave guys. Here we are. There's some other guys just made it. There's a little doggy here, he's made it too. Here we go. Did you like your walk? Yeah. Okay.
Excuse me. It's not
now we're just going to walk over the doggy.
Yes.
That's fine. There he is. He's just blocking the entrance, aren't you? Just to make it even harder for ourselves. Oh, have you been for a swim?
Yes.
Oh wow. So here we are. Look at that. The other side. Oh, guys, so we're going to carry on, and you can get in and have a swim. Looks like, oh my God, it's too dark for the camera. Right, guys, so there's a waterfall, as I said, and there's a cave there. There it is. So you can barely make it out. And it's got the light halfway through the cave, or a tunnel should I say, and then you walk through the tunnel and get through to a pool. Look at that guys, isn't that amazing? The other side of the cave. We're just on the other side of the cave, as Tim said.
Let's go back through it.
There we are, we're going to try and get back through it.
It's only a little.
There we go. What an amazing place guys. So this is what? In Paphos, or just outside Paphos, isn't it?
Photo guys. 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, so we're going back into the cave. So we have to go into the actual waterfall. You have to be very careful, it is very slippery. In you go. Okay, and they're following me through. There's a great big boulder in the way there, all around it. Right, I'm going through the water. Mind your head, just bumps mine. Oh, and again. And I've left my backpack at the end of the cave. And there's my backpack. There it is. Here it's very slippery, so be very careful. Okay, so we've made it through the tiny little cave, and we are soaking. Right guys, we are soaking wet. That was worthwhile doing. Highly recommend the place. Hopefully we got some good video footage for you guys. We're not sure. We have to crawl through the cave to get to the back end of the waterfall. Now we've got the long hike up. Right guys, so that was the first leg coming back up through the valley. And we didn't do too badly, did we guys, coming up the first leg?
No, it was great.
And we've just caught up with the waterfall.
This is a little blue lagoon.
So it's a little blue lagoon guys, and that goes further down into the waterfall that we've just been. Oh, look at this, isn't it beautiful? Look at this guys. That's the Blue Lagoon. And you won't believe it, this is natural, guys. It's not some man-made pump or anything. Amazing. We've got two other guys here taking some photos. There we are. There we go. Now carry on. Yep. There we are. I'm just going on to the bridge that the lady was on, just to show you the Blue Lagoon. There we are. Right guys, so we're on the second leg up the hill. The crew have marched up ahead and you can see how steep it is. Wow guys, that was the end of leg 2 up that steep road. And luckily, as Emma reminded me, that this last leg is now going downhill, and just at the distance we can see the car park. Wow guys, I'm impressed with everyone. They're doing really well. Well guys, that was leg 3, coming back from those beautiful waterfalls, and that was easy. That was flat or a little downhill. Now we've got the climb up towards the car park. Right, we're at the Aphrodite campsite, right, and we're eating actually on the campsite today, as it's our first day. And on the menu we've got pork chops, 11 euros. You can get a burger for 8.50, or you can have chicken, beef or pork gyros, that's a kebab, and they're also 8.50 guys. Spaghetti with cheese at just 5.50. Alright, that's on the menu. And then there's some salads around about €6.50. So the crew have got pork chops, and some of us have picked the chicken gyros. So here we are, there's the gyros, there's the chicken gyros, salad and the chips, and the tzatziki. Here's the bar. There we are. We'll walk round the bar. There we are, around the bar area. Okay, and you can get Wi-Fi around the campsite, that's all included guys. So here's the little wigwam stroke shed we're staying in. There it is. And we've got chairs and tables outside, a little veranda area, and then inside there it is. Double bed. I'm not sure what that top bit's for. Quite high. Maybe some suitcases that you want out of the way. And then we've got double doors with a fantastic view straight out from your bed. Of course there's some curtains. Oh, there's a little stool and all. There it is. So lovely little place. So that's the end of that weekend guys. Fantastic camping trip. Don't forget to look up the other videos, some fantastic walks around here, not to be missed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.